Ninth problem. If A is to B is equal to 2 is to 5, find 3A square minus 2AB plus 5B square is to A square plus 7AB minus 2B square. They have given the ratio. Solution given. What they have given? A is to B is equal to 2 is to 5. They gave in ratio. Let A value be 2K and B value be 5K. We don't have the exact value. So, we are thinking A as 2K and B as 5K. Now, substitute. What they have given? 3A square minus 2AB plus 5B square is to A square plus 7AB minus 2B square they have given. Right. Another form of A is to B is A by B. So, 3A square minus 2AB plus 5B square by A square plus 7AB minus 2B square. Now substitute. In the place of A, 2K. In the place of B, 5K. That is equal to 3 into A square, 2K whole square minus 2 into 2K into 5K plus 5 into 5K whole square. Next, coming to the denominator, A square 2K whole square plus 7 into 2K into 5K minus 2 into 5K whole square. While substituting, be careful. A value in A place only, B value in B place only. Now, slowly multiply. 3 into 2K whole square means 4K square. 2 2s are 4, K square minus 2 into 2 5s are 10, K into K square plus 5 into 5 5s 25, K square means K square, 25 K square. Coming to denominator, 2 2s are 4, so 4K square plus, here no number is there, so direct 4K square plus 7 into 2 5s 10, 10K square, 10K square minus 2 into 5 5 is 25, so 25 K square. Now still simplify. Now 3 4s 12, 12K square minus 2 10s are 20, 20K square. Next, 5 25s are 125, 125 K square by denominator 4K square plus 70K square minus 50K square. Now simplify. First add positives. 12 plus 125 is 137. 137 k square minus 20 k square. Denominator also add positives. 74 k square minus 50 k square. That is equal to, now subtract. 137 minus 20 is 117. 117 k square by 74 minus 50. 24 k square. 24 k square. K square cancel. Are able to follow? K square cancel. 3 table cancels. 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 2 remaining. 3 9s are 27. Here 3 cancels. 3 8s are. So what is the answer? 39 by 8. So we got the value 39 by 8. 10th problem. If 5x plus 2y is to 7x plus 4y is equal to 13 is to 20. Find x is to y. They are asking to find the values of x and y. Now, equality between two ratios, proportion. You can take product of means of product of extremes, or otherwise you can do cross multiplication. Any method. Proportion. So 5x plus 2y is to 7x plus 4y is equal to 13 is to 20. They are asking to find the values of x and y. Another form is 5x plus 2y divided by 7x plus 4y is equal to 13 by 20. Do cross multiplication. 20 into 5x plus 2y is equal to 13 into 7x plus 4y. You know cross multiplication. Or product of extremes is equal to product of means. That also you can do. Because is equal to is there. Equality between two ratios is called proportion. Now multiply 25s are 100. 100x plus 22s are 40. 40y is equal to 13 sevens 91. 91x plus 13 fours 52y. Now bring x terms to left side, y terms to right side. So 100x minus 91x is equal to 52y minus 40y. Now 100 minus 91 is 9x. 9x is equal to 52 minus 40 is 12. 12y. Variables one side, coefficients other side. X by y. We want x is to y. So x by y. Y will come this side and a numerical value will go that side. So x by y is equal to 12 by 9. Another, you have to see whether any common table is there. Here common table is there. 3 goes 4 times. 3 goes 3 times. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. So x by y, how much you got? 4 by 3. They told to find x is to y. So x is to y is equal to 4 is to 3. Are you able to follow? This is their way of finding x is to y ratio. 13th problem. If 4x square minus 3y square is to 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 12 is to 19. Find x is to y. The same procedure. Solution. Given what is given? 4x square minus 3y square is to 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 12 is to 19. That going to find x is to y. Another form, 4x square minus 3y square by 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 12 by 19. Cross multiplication. 19 into 4x square minus 3y square is equal to 12 into 2x square plus 5y square. 19 4s are 76 x square minus 19 3s 57 y square is equal to 12 2s are 24 24x square plus 12 5s are 60 y square. Now bring x squares one side, y squares the other side. So 76x square minus 24x square is equal to 60y square plus 57y square. Now 76 minus 24, 52 x square is equal to add 117 y square. Now variables one side, x square by y square you. So now x square by y square is equal to 117 by 52. 13 table goes. 13 9s are 117. 13 4s are 52. Now x by y whole square is equal to 9 by 4. Square goes that side. X by y square root of 9 by 4. So x by y is equal to 3 by 2. Now they are asking x is to y. X is to y is equal to 3 is to 2. That is a way of simplifying. Fifteenth problem. If 10x square minus 23xy plus 9y square is equal to 0, find x is to y. So solution given, what they have given, 10x square minus 23xy plus 9y square is equal to 0. By seeing itself, you should be able to know what is this one. Quadratic equation. For which number we have to find factors means 10 9s are 90. For 90 we have to find factors. When we simplify, minus 23 should come. So in such a way we have to take factors. Minus 18, minus 5, minus 23. Minus 18 into minus 5, minus into minus plus 18 5s 90. So 10x square minus 18xy minus 5xy plus 9y square is equal to 0. From the first two you can take 2 table common and 1 x also you can take common. So 5x minus 9y, because 2 goes in 18 9 times and 1 x came outside, so y is remaining. Here only minus y you can take common. What is remaining? Opposite sign, minus. So minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus 9y is equal to 0. What comes in the first bracket? As it is. I need not explain because already we covered quadratic equations. So in the first term x minus 9y is there. In second term also x. So on the whole I am taking x minus 9y as common into what is left out? 2x minus y is equal to 0. When it will be 0? Either x minus 9y is equal to 0 or 2x minus y is equal to 0. Now 5x is equal to 9y. Minus goes that side, plus. Now x by y is equal to 9 by 5. So x is to y how much now? X is to y is equal to 9 is to 5. Or 2x is equal to y. X by y is equal to, what is the coefficient of y here? 1. Nothing is there means 1. 2 comes to denominator, numerator. So here x is to y is what? X is to y is equal to 1 is to 2. 2 answers we got. Quadratic equation. So x is to y is equal to 9 is to 5 or x is to y is equal to 1 is to 2. 16th problem. A ratio is equal to 3 is to 4. If its consequent is 144, what is its antecedent? A ratio we don't know. They have given only consequent 144. And antecedent we don't know, x. So equality between two ratios, x is to 144, 3 is to 4. First one is called antecedent, second one is called consequent. So we don't know antecedent x. Product of extremes is called product of means. By proportion, equality between two ratios. 4 into x is equal to 144 into 3. X is equal to 144 into 3 by 4. 4 goes 36 times. X is equal to 36 into 3, 108. Therefore, antecedent is equal to 108.